Hello, hello. We are back for the second stream of the day. I got to pop out the chat for Twitch and YouTube, and then we can begin. Oops. Okie dokie. So I did mess with the that shouldn't be here. That should be in the normal state. So realistically, nothing should change. It should remain the same. And this should just print like bloody when it sees us. But we'll see how much is fucked up. And you're chilling. Bloody visible, bloody visible. Yeah, you're fine. You're fucked up because you don't have the requisite finite state machine. Are you special? You're not special. What? Invalid access to property or key. Right, because you need this. Bloody visible. Yeah, so that's all good. We can, oh, whoops. Whoops. We can go about stabbing this guy. Then he spawns over here. So we should fix that real quick. That should be in the student. When this happens. Dot body dot position equals self dot position. That should just spawn it where it does. What should do. And we can drag it just as we could before. We should be able to do that though, because that we didn't set the technically this isn't a state that we're in when we're dragging. It's just that we can't initialize it because when we're in the combat state, you get it. So let's do that real quick as well. We just need to add it'd be very similar to the free state, so I am just gonna copy stuff over. And make a new state. Create new script. Player dragging body state. Inherits state. Create. Cool. And then we're just going to do one of these. Last name player dragging body state extend state. I'm just gonna copy and paste this. Physics true, speed, mouse position. It's mostly the same. Honestly, we don't need that if we don't have to. We do need this. And see if input shouldn't be able to do that. And this will still allow us to interact with interactables, which it shouldn't. Which we kind of don't want, but this will stop us from. I feel like we should have an enum, or interactables that just says like the interactable type, so that way we can check it if we need to. Because there'll be, you know, multiple interactable types like people, cleansing stations, bodies, all different interactable types that I might want to check for. So I'm gonna go here, go to interactable, click this, up, interactable type. I'm gonna go for like body, NPC, station, export var, just interactable type. Or interaction type, right? No body, NPC station, right? Which means we can go back to the dragging body state, so that the only things we can interact with are either the body or I might want to do even have a different enum as like dump site, I guess is good enough. So we'd only want to be able to interact with body and dump site. Which means we could drag multiple bodies, but that's an issue I can deal with later. I want to try and get as much as I can done as quickly as possible, because it's a very nice day outside. I'd really like to actually go out and take some pictures. So if interactable is and hit collider, okay, parent dot interaction type is equal to 0 or 1, 2, 3, 0 or 3, then we're good. We can test, we can't test that, hold on. Could actually do that. Oops. Oh, I already have that. Hee. Go to my player, at child node player, dragging body state, and then when we go to the dead NPC, we can say body being dragged, signal bus dot main state dot emit player dragging body state. We'll have a very similar one to player free state. Did I set that for? It did. Good. So what I should be able to do is drag this. Oh, did I have to set something on? Probably did. Yeah, player. Access type, interaction type. I mean, if it's interactable, it should have that this is type body, so now I'm clicking, and if I click on that, oh, sure. Might be helpful if I actually read, you know. Cool. Stop dragging, drag, stop dragging, drag. Now I'm dragging. I can't go into combat state. I can still interact. Is that because the test interact box is type body? Let's try it as NPC. Then we'll restart. Alright, let's drag you over to the cube. And now I can't interact with it. Great. So we have solved that minor issue, and then I can interact with it just fine. Go combat, start dragging, can't go combat, can go combat. Great. So that, it's good. We like that. I should probably go back to the player and set their default clean. But that's fine. Cool. So what we want now is that we can detect when we're bloody. We also might want to have a, because this is our state thing, we might just want to be able to just check the state name. Good. So, because we have access to our player already, so if we just have access to our state name, we'll just be like, oh, they're dragging the body. Not cool. So that's going to be a string. Actually, what we could do, we need to have a wander state for the student. Good lord. Pretty much all that is fine. So create new script, student. We could technically have an alert state. There wouldn't be really much going on. They would just like stop what they're doing, and then immediately almost transition into a wander state. So let's just do like a searching state. Oops. Last name, student, searching, state, extend state. We might want that. This should definitely not be here. This should go into the student physics process. I'm honestly surprised I didn't catch that. This is very clearly like this is a not get the NPC at all. This is something that will happen no matter what state they're in. Like this is literally rotating the player or the whatever. This is what I get for not actually like commenting all my stuff. Anyway, so what I need to do is if they see the body, which would happen in the normal state, what we need to do is change their state. So we need a reference to the state machine. And a reference to the state we're trying to transition to. So we should student. No. Yes. Oops. That child, student, searching state. Let me go here. So we have a reference to that. So then we can go finite state machine dot change scene or change state to this one. Or if how would I check to see if there's a body in front? Because with the checking to see if door visible, that's pretty easy. Checking to see if there's a body might be like how would I do that? I feel like if there's a like there should be a bubble, like an area node that the NPCs are around. If they just hit the body, then it's like, oh, body. But also I feel like it's a bit cheap. So like playing that would feel cheap because we would like they would be behind them and then they would immediately be like, oh, someone's dead behind me. So maybe area combined with dot product. Yeah, I think that's the play. Because we have an area node and then we combine that with a dot product. So if it's within a certain if it intersects with this fucking body, right, then what will happen is that it'll you'll see area 3D and then collision. Collision will be I would want a hemisphere right now. Cylinder makes the most sense. This one? Oh my. What? My numpad is now not working. I don't know why. I don't know, like that big, maybe bigger. Because this is literally like essentially what you can think of this as is negative Z is forward, so they can see this far ahead of them. So it's not really that big. Body scan area. So it's like essentially it's like scanning for it. It would not be on any layer, but it'll be looking on these layers. And then so like it'll see this far ahead, and then it'll be like the cone of vision. So if it exists essentially within this quadrant of this circle, then they'll be like, that's a dead body, right? So body scan. Save that. So if we go into the normal state and what we can do is on body entered, we will add to an array, and then when they leave, it'll remove from the array. So var scan array equal to array of interactable, essentially. I'd want them to each have a unique ID somehow. That way, like, you can be like, go through the array, find the one with the with this ID, and then remove it. But also, we could just have it so if it's a body, add it to an array. But if it's not, don't add it to the array. So then only bodies are in the array. Get our signals on. Area entered. Add that to we might as well add it to student. I don't think it would be that important. So if area and it's type equals 0, sorry, equals 0, area, sorry, scan array dot add area. Now we should be able to drag that. So if now we know if there's a body-ish. Now we just need to know if it falls within the dot product. Now I need to rework the calculate dot product because I need it to be between a different position. We don't want player, we want whatever, right? So we need maybe vector 3. Like object. As a player, we need position object. Then we don't want global position, we just want object position. That gives us direction, and the dot product is So we might want to have this in like his body. If scan array empty turn if it's empty, return false. So if there's nothing in the array, there's no bodies that have been intersected. Don't bother. All right. Otherwise, else we want to calculate the dot product. With else for body and scan array for body dot global position if product greater than 0.7. We're using for the, we should change that. Const stu vision cone value equals float equals 0.7. Take that and that would mean we would return true. Otherwise, essentially what's happening here is basically what's happening here is if the array is empty, there's no bodies in their little scan area, don't bother calculating. It's not visible. Return false, not visible, right? Otherwise, there are bodies in the scan area. If they are within the cone, vision cone, return true. They can see the body. Otherwise, all the bodies are behind them. They don't see them, right? That's what's going on here. So, is body visible? It's not a thing. So what we can do is we can actually go into the normal state, and this would be whatever. This is visible. If NPC dot is body visible, what we can do is we can do the finite state machine dot state change. What do I have it as? Change state. That change state and change state. And what we'll do is we'll change it to a student searching state. Make an instance. What's that? Oh, oops. My bad, gang. All right. Find state machine that change state. So now if the body is visible, it should go into a searching state, which currently means they just kind of sit there and do nothing. But what we could do is very quickly, we could just say, get tree dot self dot view free. Actually, probably just you should just do. That'll just break shit. Add export var npc. And then go, and then we can do npc view free. And go into the searching state and assign this as the npc. And so what we should have now, if nothing was broken, identifier not found array. What? On array equals empty and base array. What do you mean? Then that's fuck, brother. Katie, Joel, Morales, Sonic, your name is very hard. I love you too, though. Appreciate it. Right back at you, my friend. Shit is fucked, and I'm upset. So how do we? Here's the real question. Okay, how do I just ask Godot how to check if array empty? Array.empty. I did that. I did that though. In base array. I'm being lied to. Google's lying to me. Life has not gotten easier since Google implemented their AI overview, because I swear to God, it just fucking lies to me half the time. If my array evaluates to false, gross. Cannot find. Greetings from Mexico. What up, Mexico? How is Mexico these days? I've heard I know back a couple months ago at least there was definitely some shenanigans happening. I hope you're doing okay though. Hope you're alright. How do I send a heart? Oh yeah, I can do that too. Ah! Fun. What am I doing? Sorry, ADHD is a bitch. Well, how do I just add, how to Godot, how to add to array in script? Append. You would. To add a value to the and or insert. Sure, fine. Append. I will append the array. Oh, dude. I've been coding. I've been coding. What? Well. Oh well. That was a good first. That was a good, what, 40 minutes of a Word document? God damn it. Fuck. I've been doing things. I've been coding, I swear. Alright, let's see if I fixed it, because it... Nope. Identifier not found in array. What does that mean? The fuck does that mean, dude? Implemented Kizana. Is that like... Is that a rival? Is that what's is that what that is? So I'm gonna be real. I'm like not. I don't know Yandere Simulator. I know it as far as that's funny. There's some funny things happening with that game. What a silly man. I've been a fan of your game since I was 7 years old. I'm not Yandere Dev. That's not me. You got the wrong guy. I didn't make that. That's not me, dude. You got the wrong guy. You got the wrong man. I'm not him. I'm not him. I'm sorry. You're talking to the wrong guy. I have, look, brother. Yandere Dev has his own channel. He has his own channel. I'm not him. I'll take your love anyway. I appreciate it. I appreciate it. But that's not me. I'm not Yandere Dev. Just cause I have a big nose. Different man, different guy. I'm not. How old is Yandere Dev? Like 30 something? 40? Yandere Dev is old, right? Are you calling me old? Have you been calling me old this whole time? How's the city going? What are you talking about? What are you talking about, man? He's 37. I am not 37. I'm more than 10 years younger. Yandere Dev. Friend, I think you need to. I am not Yandere Dev. Though that is a different guy. I'm not him. I swear to God, I'm not him. There's no city right now. It's different game. Different game. Based on that game, different game. Different game. Yeah. Alright? Relax. Different guy, not him. And also be very careful around that man. He's like... you should really look into some of the shit that he's done. He's not cool. Not cool guy. What am I doing? Right, I'm doing fucking... Also, he's making his stuff in Unity. This is good though. My friend, I believe you are confused. I love the enthusiasm, but it is misplaced. If you really like Yandere Dev, show your love to him. I'm not that guy. I'm a different man. Appreciate it though. Very funny, actually. It's very, very funny situation this is. Right, so we did append it, and that's so. Identifier not found. You're telling me it's like. Add another ending to in 1980s mode. I am not Yandere Dev. I do not know how more clear I could be. I am not him. I'm not that guy. Like, how do I say this in Spanish, man? I don't know if you're fucking memeing on me right now, if you're fucking goofing and gaffing right now. I am not him. English to Spanish. No soy Yandere Dev. No soy. Not me. Oh, shit. No soy. Not me. No soy. If I could get this to actually, like, fucking... I could show you the game I'm working on. It's not the same thing. If I can just get this array to actually, like, want to exist. Like, I don't know what I'm forgetting here, but, like, holy shit. Oh, that's all? Okay. Oh, yeah, you know what? it'd be like this. And I just make an empty array. Ah, why do I have errors? And why does the game never want to show up? There it is. This is the game I'm working on right here. This. Not Yandere Sim. Different game. Can't do this in Yandere Sim. You know, I need to kill a guy and drag their body over. Come here, you schmuck. Fuck. Cool. And if I drag in front of them, what they should do is just stop existing. Except I should look at the error first. Implicit ready, that's fine. No node found, body scan areas. That's an issue. What is this in? This is just in the studio. What do you mean that this doesn't exist? Oh, is it because... Oh. Gotta flip the cassette. That's insane. I cannot believe that happened. Very funny. No soy. No soy. Not me. They saw a guy that looks kind of similar. I was like, ah, this guy. That's funny. No, unfortunately, his streams are a lot weirder. Footy. Yeah, right, so I need to add this to ED. That did give us... Node not found relative to... Okay, yeah, that's fine, because he doesn't... I guess he could. He would need it. Add child node. Then this needs the NPC egg as well. You should be seeing it. Should be entering the state. We'll try again. It doesn't seem to be able to detect. Well, I guess like us turning bloody is the thing. We should be able to see visible. Mini visible. Not interacting with the body worked, so. Is body visible is not working. Why is that? I need to restart. He has this whole thing, so it should have activated. But why did it not? If body is visible, scan array. Saw some hearts fly up. Appreciate the hearts, man. Why doesn't it add to the... Is it because it's not an area? Please put more lore. No soy Yandere, Dev. No soy. Not me. No soy. Different guy. No soy. There's not much lore, man. I mean, like... Oh, you can't even see it right now. Why does it do this? I don't understand. There it goes. Different game. Not Yandere Sim. Not Yandere Sim. No soy Yandere, Def. No soy. Different guy. Different man. Same big nose. Different guy. Look at him go. Wowee. Yeah, I know I'm visible. Calm down. So the question is, why does it not add? Is it because that NPC is a body and not... That might be it. I wouldn't be surprised if it was. So that's not a body of some kind. I'm gonna have the fun, so, okay. So I think I need to do body, because these aren't areas, these are bodies, and that's a different thing apparently, or whatever, right? And this is dead, because I don't want that. I want on... Body entered, I guess. It would be the same code. Yes, it's not that. It's in fact body. If body. If body dot is enter not is interactable. Return. Else. Do this. Okay. Brother, what? Else. Sure. Oh, that's what I was mad about. Okay. Okay. Step, 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 step. Dies. Drag. Should see it append once it... But it does not. Why? Why no? Print body. Tell me what is up, dude, because I'm confused. Stop printing the array. Where am I printing this fucking array? Print. I understand. Visible. Yes, I know. Oh, well, yeah, well... Hold the fucking phone. Okay, hold on. This scan array exists on interaction. The scanning for interaction. Dead NPC exists on interaction. Player, I will put on existing on interaction. Am I not a what? Excuse me? It's literally character body 3D. What do you mean? What are you talking about? If not a body, what is it? It's character body 3D. On body scan, body entered. What the fuck is it? It's my body. Do I want it to exist on the collision layer? Like what? What I am trying my absolute... Okay, so that's definitely working. I'm making a meme shitty shitpost game loosely based on Yandere Simulator. I am not Yandere Dev, which Katie Joel Lira Mira Zamas Hakuwa 9382 9392 seems to think I am. No soy. Not me. Okay. No soy. I'm instead just a random guy. That's what I'm making. All right. So what we got going on, I'll show you. Okay. And I'll turn on the pretty. I was looking at hitboxes, so I turned off the thing that makes things look a little nice. See how it looks like everything is small now? It's intentional. Now this guy's running around. We gotta kill him first. I'm trying to get it so that right now, what I'm working on here. All right, so we kill him. He's dead. We can drag his body around. We can stop dragging it. We can drag it. We can stab. All right, that's what we have. We're trying, and what I'm trying to do is have this guy see the dead body, and then go, "Oh my god, a dead body," and then switch states into a searching state. And he sees that we're bloody because we killed a guy and we dragged his body and we're bloody now. But he doesn't want to switch states, but he can understand that we're here. And he sees that. So we're getting closer. We're getting closer. You exist on 3 and 1. And there he goes. He's doing his own thing. He's on a schedule, which you can see the path that he's going to take. Because right now what we have, okay, to explain it as quickly as I can, as simply as possible. Right now, we have an NPC, a student, if you will, and he has this circle around him, right? And what we're doing right now is the circle pretty much represents how far he can see forward. So when a dead body enters it, he'll know about it. But we'll compare where the body is to where he's looking, his vision, what would you call it? Cone vision? Vision cone? His vision cone. If it falls within his vision cone, right? If it does, he sees the body. If it doesn't, he's facing the other way. He doesn't see it, right? So what we're trying to do is we're trying to get him to be like, oh shit, a body. Yikes. And then he'll go searching for the player. And if you can't find the player within a few minutes, the level will end. And then the next day, there will be patrol around because dead body found on camp is strange, right? That's what we're trying to do. We're failing miserably right now. That's what we're trying to have happen. You don't need to exist on that layer at all. You do wanna, okay. That's what we're doing. That's what's going on. And my camera's about to shit itself because my webcam is not actually a webcam. It is in fact a mini DV camera from the year 2000, so I can do funny things like this. I have a remote, but it does run on mini DV tape, so if I'm not literally recording onto the tape, it will just shut off. So I have to record it, and then the tape will run out, and then I have to rewind it and start it up again. And it's about to run out. Or will in about like 5 minutes, some shit like that. Just so you know, so you're not surprised when the camera just becomes blue. So that's okay. So where are we at? Die. And it still detects it, which I don't think it should. It shouldn't detect me anyway. But is looking at my shit. Now it only sees the character body 3D, which is okay. We want to use the parent because the parent is the thing that actually holds the information we want. So if body dot get parent, oops, is interactable, then we want to append it. Now shit should work, theoretically speaking. Also, the premise is that I just thought it'd be really funny if it was like a Yandere Sim clone type shit, except that you're square and you're madly in love with a dodecahedron. I just thought that would be funny. He used to be spinning. I don't know why he's not spinning anymore. Why no spin, actually? Alright, yeah, my camera just ran out of tape, so I gotta turn it off and then rewind that tape, so oops. Animated sprite 3D. There should be like a Z, whatever, I don't know. That's... Hey, interaction type of base character body. Invalid access of type. Yeah, because it's get parent. That means it works though. And... dot get parent. So we're closer than we were a little bit ago. So what should happen is we should walk in here, it won't see it, and then we'll get in front of it, and this guy will just delete itself. Damn. Try again, I guess. I need to have it not fucking shout that I'm bloody invisible. I'm aware. I promise you I know. Where did I put this? I need the student normal. I get it. I am fully aware about this. Hacks. It sees it. Okay. So body does get added to the array. Good. Good. Oh, Windows, why? Every time I start and stop this fucking game, it's like, I need to fucking shit my pants. Alright. Camera is now back online. Print. Scan array. So that NPC is in the array. Good. This should print. This should be printing constantly. Oh, that's only printing if it's true. Oh. This is yes body. If there is a body, so if there's stuff in the body, go do this. If we get to this point, it'll have gone through and nothing's in the vision cone, it'll return false, and then, yeah, okay. Now he should delete himself. Will he do it? No. Why not? If not, empty. Print. Body. Wait, what? Oh. I'm actually dumb as hell. If yes body, for body and scan array, otherwise I'm stupid. I'm dumb. I'm actually Jesus Christ. Holy shit. Alright, now delete. We did it. They can see bodies now. Now I need to see. Now I need to see if I can sneak it behind him. He should very much not be visible. That should not be the case. Anyway. Stab. Okay. So it's definitely calculating the dot product. Huh. This we don't need. I'm confused. Very much should not be passing the dot product, so what the fuck? What the fuck could the dot product be? 0.9 and it doesn't change. It's basically saying it's constantly directly in front of it, which is just not true. Also, I should disconnect the signal. That's DDS for the student here. Could have gotten rid of that, but I guess not. That's so weird. That is very odd. Record, this is a forward vector. So that works for the players. What is different between What is different? I don't get it. Wait, what the fuck is the difference? I'm so confused. Like it even changes how it's supposed to. Like I'm so like what the fuck is different between this and this? I don't get it. I don't understand. I'm gonna pick this up tomorrow. I'm like fried right now. So, peace.